Hello YouTubers. Well, tonight we're on something a tiny bit different. We're just repositioning or reinstalling the sticker on the Heathkit SB-200 amplifier. This process would suit obviously anything that requires a decal. Okay, so just to explain the conditions here, this is the RF deck cover which I'd sanded and clear coated. And removed the old paper sticker. Had 3 stickers like this made up, which are the exact size font from a amateur radio operator in the USA on eBay, and very impressed with the quality, so it will make the job easy. Now what I've done is I found the center between these 2 screws and then worked backwards from there, so that we've got basically, mind you that we just look at it, the whites, obviously the backing's going to come off, and the goal is to get that exactly in between those 2 holes, and the goal then is to spray again with clear coat to seal that in there. Alright, so what do we need after we've positioned and drawn our marker lines so it's all symmetrical? As you can see, we need some warm water, a bit of detergent in the water, just a couple of drops. And what we're going to do is, not hot water, just warm water. We're going to just soak this in there for about 5 seconds, and then we're going to apply it to the surface. All right, I'll just remove the sticker from its backing. With all my stickers, I like to just use a pen knife, just a hobby knife. We stick it to that, and it just allows to position it on the area that we're working on. All right, doing this one-handed. All right, okay, there's the finished product. Very, very simple fix. Just spend the time in lining everything up, and it will look fantastic on your amplifier. All right, I'll post a link to the decal maker on eBay in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Good night.